in Next Door Talent, we are going to meet Shilpa, who has connected to her roots and harness the Mother Nature's gift in her own backyard.
To my home. How
Hi.
are you doing today?
Wonderful, Shilpa. I'm very excited to see what you're going to show us today.
Yes. Today I'm going to be showing you a recipe from Mexican mint leaf, and it is fondly called as dodpatre in Kannada, ajwain leaf in Hindi, karpuravalli in Tamil, and what about in Telugu, Raga?
It's called Vamaku.
Oh, okay. So we have a few names for the same ingredient, very well spread across India. It is called dodpatre tambuli. That's what we're going to learn today how to make, and this is a super easy recipe, guys. Anybody can make it. If I can make it, you guys can make it. So let me start by showing you the leaves that I picked. Okay, come on. So here it is, our Mexican mint leaf. I've grown a lot here. I've been cutting and making. So this I've been using very nicely. This is a fresh, tender Mexican mint leaf here, also called dodpatre. So I'm going to go ahead, pick a few for our dish today. And as you can see, I have some tomatoes, Thai basil also. So you can grow it anywhere in your garden. You can just plant a stake and you should be able to have a bountiful harvest of dodpatre leaves. And here I'm going to pick a couple chilies. And we are all ready to make the dodpatre tambuli. Come on, Raga. Welcome. Let's start dodpatre tambuli. Let's start by washing this thoroughly and drying it. Key and important thing to remember is dry these leaves because we're going to fry it. So make sure these leaves are washed and dry. And I'm also adding 2 green chilies. So I'm going to make a fine cut on these. And so will I do the dodpatre leaves or the Mexican mint. I'm going to go ahead and chop them up roughly. You don't have to do any fine. So here I am chopping roughly. Alright. So let's head towards the stove. Okay. Every time you want to fry dodpatre, I suggest that you use the ghee or the clarified butter. This is really important ingredient in Ayurveda. They say that it is better than oil. So go ahead and use ghee while sauteing the Mexican mint. So I'm adding a spoon of ghee there, and as the ghee melts, I'm going to take a teaspoon of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and a few peppercorns. So as the butter gets hot, what I do is I add the mustard, and as the mustard splutters, I wait for it to splutter, and as soon as it splutters, I will add the cumin. You can hear the mustard seeds spluttering, and as soon as they start spluttering, I add some jirge. And jirge is done very quickly, so I add the peppercorns, and to this I add the green chilies and our most coveted ingredient for today, the dodpatre leaves or the Mexican mint leaves. So add coconut to it. One great thing while this is sweating, I would like to talk about dodpatre is its medicinal and health benefits. Dodpatre or the Mexican mint leaf is extremely good for skin ailments. It helps in reducing fever, especially for the kids. And yes, when I was 18 years, I hardly knew about these things. Well, the whole of my older generation knew about it. They would do all these things on a regular basis. But it's just that I never knew what the benefits of these leaves were. It happens that after I had my own children, and when they were falling ill with a fever or a cough or a cold, which is quite common when kids start going to school or daycare or preschool, they do pick up these viruses, and it just is a vicious cycle. So I felt that giving them a added boost with these kind of food help them recover faster and reduce the number of times they were sick throughout the year. So let's go ahead and see how we can help our kids stay longer in school and lesser in our home playing on the TV because they are sick. So one of the things you would do is give them healthy food. And if you're healthy, you're able to grow stronger and you're able to learn faster. So having a healthy start at home is very important. Okay, Raga. Now I think the dotpatre leaves have sweated well, and I've sauteed it quite nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the stove, and here I go. I add some coconut, fresh grated. You can get fresh grated coconut. I'm using the one from the store, but you can also get a fresh one from the store and use it.
Shilpa, I have a question. You added coconut, right? Usually it's believed that coconut adds cough. I mean, increases cough. And we are giving this as a cough remedy and we are adding coconut. So how does it...
This is fresh coconut, Raga. And fresh, if you fry something and eat it, increases cough. True. But fresh coconut is actually antiviral. So when you have certain skin ailments, the first thing they do is they say heat the coconut oil, put some herbs in it and start putting on your hand. And in fact, you can even do dotpatre. You can put the juice of the dotpatre in the coconut oil and scrub it on your skin. It is an antiviral property. So coconut is very healthy, especially if you don't
fry it
too much and the oils in the coconut start coming out. But if you eat fresh grated coconut, it's very healthy. It has a lot of fiber. It has a lot of antiviral properties. And it is used in South Indian cooking for more than 5,000 years. So I would say fresh coconut is a must.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.
So yes, this is one very, very important last step. Add some salt to it. And let's let it cool. Once this cools, what we can do is we can grind it and have it ready to go with the hot rice. So the next ingredient used for tambuli is the yogurt or buttermilk. Mostly when people are sick, we try to make the buttermilk because it has more water content. So here I am trying to add some yogurt. So I'm trying to thin it down by beating it. And the other reason why we add yogurt or buttermilk to the tambuli is it reduces the heat in the body, especially if you're running a fever, then you want the fever to come down. And adding a little bit of peppercorns generates heat in the body, and that is needed because if you have a cough or cold, you need the body to generate that heat so all the phlegm comes down. So to also balance that, we add this yogurt, so that way pepper is doing its job and yogurt is doing its job, thereby maintaining a good balance in our body. So this step is done. Looks like our dish has cooled down. So the next thing to do here will be to grind this along with a couple of spoons of yogurt to get a nice creamy consistency. So once I have grinded this, I poured it back into this vessel. All I'm going to do is not do a rigorous boiling, but I'll just let 1 or 2 boil bubbles come up and I'll switch it off, which is so watery. I've added a little bit of water to give it a more watery consistency because this is to be had with rice, white rice, steaming hot piping white rice. So I'm going to make it a little more watery consistency. And here you go, mixing it up well. And you don't need to add anything at all to this. All you need to do is heat some ghee again and add it to the nice little dotpatre tambuli. So I'm adding a little bit of ghee and switching off the gas. And we have our beautiful tambuli ready to go with.
Thank you, Shilpa. This is going to be lunch for my kids today. My son has a very bad cold and cough.
I'm sure he'll get better, Raga. Use it very well, and he should get better. It is so helpful for cough, cold, fevers, skin irritations, kidney stones. Thank you, Raga, for mentioning that earlier to me. Yes, it also helps with the kidney stones. So guys, go ahead, drink some water of the dotpatre leaves, make tambuli, make bhaji, make goju, whatever way you can use the dotpatre leaves, or the Mexican mint leaf as it is called here in America. Go ahead, use it. Treat yourself to this gift from nature, which is bountiful here in San Diego. Go ahead, enjoy that.
It's very easy to grow, so just get a sample of it and have it in your backyard. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.